Next up, missing colleague 2 for Artisan. In this, we need to locate the interrogation transcript and bring it back to Artisan. Relatively simple. This area over here by Fort Dorith is super heavily guarded, and yet again, we're coming across to the headquarters building right over here in 129-143. I've entered in the center northeast side over here, and what we need to do is find our way and fight our way all the way up to the top floor. So floor number 3, this is 2, and the top one up here, avoiding this, is number 3. I found 2 guards up here, both very angry, but essentially, when you get up here, come into this door over here with the water cooler next to it, so office 33, and in here, on the table over here, you'll find the transcript of interrogation all the way on the left corner of this desk here. Once again, top floor of headquarters, this room over here. Super simple. When you have this, you'll need to head all the way back to base to hand in this quest. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.